Ahoy there, Idaho model shipbuilder. Ahoy there, Idaho model shipbuilder. Took out the little Model FS Bell out in the pond today. Had some guts. High winds for the Olympic out there as Mayday, Mayday. The SOS Olympic is stuck. ESF, FS Bell. Olympic out to rescue the FS Bell in a rainstorm. Seaweed stuck on props. Free. Able to rescue the little sailboat. Ahoy there, Idaho model ship. Plan for another plane. High winds. Another good old story. I'd like to say, gentlemen, 4th of July was always my favorite holiday. You know, the best memories were from my grandfather, who passed away in 2004. I'm talking like, you know, in his earlier days when I was growing up as a child, I'd say probably the ages between 8 to maybe like 14. We had the best 4th of Julys. My grandfather always, you know, got fireworks, and we did special things. He had a cabin. We'd hang out at the cabin. We'd be always looking at boats and sailboats, and 4th of July was always a special time of celebration. So that's why this special celebration put together with some fireworks is very special for this event. So happy 4th of July, Idaho model shipbuilder.